process of putting metal back in this thing. Went ahead and welded this brace in here to get the door gap the same, because I had to chop this corner off. It was in pretty bad shape, so we just went ahead and cut it off. Yep, there we are. Made that side panel piece as I showed you at the beginning of the video last night. And got it clecoed on there, just kind of where we was wanting it. But yeah, we are heading on the downhill side on this. Yeah, y'all go to work on your projects and have a good Sunday, and catch me on the next video.